How can I set up my own VPN? Salman Mehdi says, setting up a virtual private network, VPN, connection on your system is quite easy. Before setting up the connection, you must know that a VPN essentially cloaks your original IP address with a pseudo IP address. It then encrypts your data and helps it transmit through a secure tunnel, ensuring that your data remains safe against unauthorized access or misuse. You must also know that there are different protocols involved when it comes to setting up a VPN connection. These include point-to-point tunneling protocol, PPTP, Layer 2 tunneling protocol, L2TP, etc., amongst others. The process of setting up a VPN connection on various operating systems, i.e. Windows and Mac, is quite different as well. If you are using a Windows 7 client and want to set up a VPN connection by using a PPTP protocol, then you have to follow these steps. Go to Control Panel, select View Network Status and Tasks, click Set up a new connection or network, select Connect to Workplace. Hit Next, select Use My Internet Connection, VPN. Write the name of the server you intend to connect to in the Internet Address field. In the Destination field, write the name of the VPN service you intend to use. Keep the Use a Smart Card option unchecked. Check the other two options. Click Next. Type the username and password you have in the respective fields. Check Remember this password box. Click Create. Right-click on the setup icon and hit Properties. Go to Security tab. From the Type of VPN drop-down menu, select the protocol you want to use for your VPN connection. In the Networking tab, uncheck TCP/IPv6 feed and file and printer sharing for Microsoft Windows options. Click OK. Type in your username and password in the respective fields. Click Connect. There you go. It's that simple. In 11 simple steps, you can successfully set up a VPN connection on your Windows 7 operating system. Hans Witvliet says, a VPN is like a bridge. It starts somewhere and ends somewhere else. If you're often on the road and want to connect safely to home, work, it is no rocket science to install a VPN server at home, work, and install a VPN client onto your laptop, tablet, mobile phone. No matter where on world you travel, you'll get the same level of security as you would have at home, work. This in contrast with the so-called service VPN providers offer. How much do you trust them? And all IP traffic behind such providers is unprotected. James Scott says, if you just want to use a VPN account or set up a proxy server, then the other answers to this question may prove useful. I'm going to assume you actually do want to set up your own *VPN, which you probably don't want to do in most cases, but it is a good question. Maybe you want to set up secure access to your home network file server from your laptop when you're traveling, for example. If that's the case, then you need to set up not just a client, as described in the other answers, but a server as well. See the documentation for setting up a VPN using open-source OpenVPN software here. How to. Be warned though, it is a relatively complex process for the non-technically minded, involving setting up a certificate authority, editing config files, setting up non-conflicting LAN subnets, etc. Thanks for watching our video on how can I set up my own VPN.